Wednesday, September 8th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Got the left side completed, leveled it somewhat. Might have to do it a little more. On to the right side. Horrible. Has to get done. I'll try not to make the same mistake I made last time. I went too deep. This time I'll just go the length of the spade. Maybe not even that far. All across. I'll start at this line to the sidewalk, then all the way down like a rectangle. Look at this, like a brick. How can roots penetrate or survive in this? Terrible. I could pick this up and throw it through a window. I'm having a tough time, folks. I know the heat from the concrete can dry out your soil, but there's no way hot concrete did this. Not all of this, not from here all the way to the other walkway. I think what I'll do is start by the mulch bed. You might think I'm going too far down, and that's okay. But the reason why I'm able to do this is because the soil isn't as compacted. So it's a good sign. On the bright side, I can't imagine having to do this for a very long time. When I finally seed, I know the roots will penetrate the soil. I filled that area back in. I'm just digging, filling, moving, digging, filling, moving. Losing daylight. Think I'll call it a day. We'll get back to it real soon. All right, it's the next day. Weather isn't great. Let's see what we got so far. I guess we're doing okay. Not like this side. But we'll get there. Trust me. I'd like to start by watering that area again. I know it hardened. And while that's drying a bit, I'll come over here and put the shovel to use. Within the last 2 years, I noticed grubs in the yard, so I worried that they were eating the roots. But after all the digging, I know that's not my problem. Again, digging, filling, turning, doing it in sections, and using the pitchfork as a guide. You know what? I forgot to water this section. I got so busy over there, it just slipped my mind. I'll just keep at it. It's a lot of work. I'm hot, I'm tired, but in the end, it'll all be worth it. Can't stop now. I got to move some of this stuff to see where I'm at. You'd think with all the work I've been doing, I'm close to finishing. But because of the section next to the concrete, I know I have a long way to go. It's probably going to take up most of my time. I knew it was going to go from bad to worse. Looks like I got some type of concrete here. I don't know if it was an old post or what, but it's not going anywhere. Late start today and I'm losing daylight, so that'll be it. But trust me, we're gonna finish. Well, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.